Hello out there everyone, this is the world famous here, Mr. River Rat the Troubleshooter, Borderland Amps. We have a Dx-959. Customer brought me this radio. He burned a MOSFET RFX-75. It's right here, you can see it. It goes back here. Oh, we got it on. So let's see what's gonna do. Back over here, we're on the 50 watt. We're on the 50 watt slug here. That's gonna be the 50, the 40, the 30, 20, and the 10. So we have it on low. We have it here like a 1 watt dead key. You see the one? You can see it there.
Audio, probando 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, probando 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello, audio. Probando 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello.
It does about 15 watts average. And we're gonna move the vertical knob. The vertical knob right here. Wide open here, as you see here. Go back over here. About 5, 4.5, somewhere around there.
Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probando 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello. Audio.
It's about 15 watts average on this 959. It's a Galaxy 959 with a RFX-75. Okay, thank you very much. 73. I'm gone. Bye.